This video we are going to learn Standard 6 Term 3 Volume 3 History. That is Part 2, Unit 1 Part 2, Society and Culture in Ancient Tamilagam, the Sangam Age. பண்டை கால தமிழகத்தில் சமூகமும் பண்பாடும் சங்ககாலம். The 7 popular patrons are Pari, Kari, Vori, Pagan, Hai, Adiyaman and Nalli. Okay, they were Tamil poets. Next, Sangam polity, that is kingship. Kingship means family relationship. See, the kingship was hereditary. பரம்பரையாக ஆட்சி செய்யும் முறை. So, the king was called as Ko. Okay, then it was shortened of Kon. Vendan, some names. Kon, Vendan, Kon, Mannan, Kotravan and Iraivan. Where the other titles also given for the king. It was addressed. The king was addressed. Then the eldest son, that is, he only should rule the country. That is Archie. Regime means generally succeeded to the throne. That is Archie column. He has to succeed the throne. Then the coronation ceremony. பட்டம் சூட்டும் சூட்டப்படும் விழா. பட்டம் சூட்டப்படும் விழா. It was known as அரசு கட்டிரதுகள். Okay. Then or முடிசூட்டு விழா. Then the crown prince was known as Komahan. He was named as Komahan. Then some younger princes also were there. For the younger princes, names as Ilango, Ilanjelian and Ilanjeral. Okay. Then king held a daily darbar in the palace, in the court, the darbar. Okay, all will give some complaints, some explanation. So he will clear all that. He will clear all the disputes. Then the income also was collected through taxation. So they collected a tax. It was called as Irai. It was called as they named the tax as Irai. Okay, the income to the state was through taxation. The name of the tax is Irai. Then this apart, the state collected tolls and customs, that is Sangam. Then some fines also they collected. Then the king and soldiers rode the heroic anklet. They will wear, okay, anklet in the leg. So in the achievement of wearer were blazoned. Blazoned means வெளிக்காட்டுதல். Okay, வெளிக்காட்டுதல். Then spies were also used not only to find out but what is happening inside the country, even outside, that is foreign countries also they appointed some spies. Then a wound in the back was considered a disgrace. Disgrace means bringing shame. At the back means always bringing shame. So there were instances of kings they were facing such kinds of death also, because they had suffered such a wound in the battle. Okay, army. The king's army consisted of 4 divisions. That is namely infantry, cavalry, and elephants and chariot force. Okay, it was divided into 4. Army was divided into 4 kinds. Then the army was known as Padai. Okay. Then the chief army was known as Thane Taliban. Okay, he is mentioned as Thane Taliban. Then the prominent weapons. Okay, important weapons they used were sword, then kedayam, shield. Kedayam is shield. Tomaram is lance, spears, bows and arrows. They used while in the battle when they were fighting with the enemies. Then Tomaram is mentioned as a missile to be thrown. It will be Tomaram will be thrown at the enemies from far distances. Okay, they will not go very near. Then the place they will keep all the weapons. All the weapons they have to keep on a particular place. It is known as Padaikottai. Okay, there only they will keep. After the work is completed, they will again go and keep that, because they want to protect the weapons. Okay, the forts were protected. Okay, that is Agaligal. Then the drum was worshipped as a deity. Drum Okay, in the war, first they will drum. You also might have seen in many programs. So, as a deity means worship means vanangadal. They will worship as a drum as God. Okay. Okay. Law and justice. The king was the final authority for appeal, so he will decide everything. Then in the capital town, the court of justice, okay, Arasavai. So it was called Avai. So in the villages, some mantrams were served for dispensing justice. Civil cases will come. That is the method of trial followed was called upon the plaintiff. That is Wali. Okay. Then the person who has done any mistake, he has to put his hand inside the pot. Okay, containing a cobra. If the cobra bit him, he will be sentenced as a crime. So if the cobra did not bite him, he was considered innocent. So that some severe punishments were given for the people. Then some punishments were awarded, like including beheading and mutilation of the offering limbs of the body. They will cut the head and fingers in the hands and legs. Then they will torture the in and imprisonment and impositions of fines also will be collected. Okay, important towns, that is Puhar, Urayur, Korkai, Madurai, Musuri, Vanchi or Karur and Kanchi. See, the land form was divided into 5 tinais. That is Kurunji. Kurunji means Mullai, Marudam, Neidal, Palai. That is landscape. That is flower, Palmlia flower. That is foreign region. Okay, riverine, track, plains, coastal region, parched land. Then occupation is hunting, herding, agriculture, fishing, then salt making and heroic deeds. Then people, Kuravar or Kuratiyar, Ayar, Achiyar, Ulavan, Ulatiyar, then Parattavar, Nulatiyar, then Maravar, Maratiyar, deity, that is worshipping. Deity means God, worshipping God. That is Murugan, Mayan, Indiran, Varun and Kotravan. Okay, Kurunchi will worship Murugan. Mullai, the area, those who are living there, they will worship Mayan. Marudam, Indran, Neidal, that is Varunan. Then Palai, Kotravan. Then the land was classified according to the fertility. Okay, slip. That is Marudam. Marudam was called Mempulam. Marudam land was called Mempulam. That is the land was fertile land. Then the production was paddy. They produced paddy and sugarcane. Then next landscape was Neidal. Okay, it was called Vanpulam. Vanpulam means hard land, and it produced pulses and hard land means pulses and dry fruits. Then status of women. Status of women. There was no restriction. Okay, in social life they can live as they wish. Okay, then they were learned wise women. All were learned women. Education was there. So in the status of women, see, important is that is 40 women poets were there. Okay, they left their valuable work. They have written many valuable poems. Okay, then marriage also, it was left to them. They can select. Okay, then Karupu was considered the highest virtue of women. They gave more importance for Karupu. Okay, then even the sons and daughters have equal share from the property of the parents. It should be given equal share for son and daughter. Then next to see. Uh, then religious belief and society. Okay, there were the primary deity. Okay, primarily they used to worship Sayan or Murugan. Then other gods also were there during this period. Okay, they worshipped some other gods. Okay. Murugan and other gods also they worship during the Sangam period. That is Sivan, Indran, Varunan and Kotravan. Okay, the hero stone that is called Nadukal. Worship in practice. They also worship the hero stones. Then Buddhism and Jainism also they practiced. Then Veerakal and Nadukal. That is the hero stone was are known as Nadukal or Veerakal. Okay, Nadukal or Veerakal. Then see the ancient Tamil had a great respect for the heroes who died in the battlefield. Further only that Veerakal and Nadukal is raised. Then caste development in Tamil Nadu did not see develop. That is in northern India. Then the occupation that is came to Dravidian South late, okay, comparatively late. Then dresses and ornaments. The rich people wore muslin, silk, and fine cotton garments, dresses. Okay. Then about the common people, we can learn. Okay. The common people wore two pieces of clothes that is made of cotton. Okay. Then the Sangam literature refers to clothes that is thinner and skin of a snake that is Kalingam. Women adorned hair plaits and flowers also they used to wear flowers. Okay, both men and women wear ornaments, variety of ornaments. More they will wear. Okay, then made of the ornaments were made of gold, silver, pearls, precious stones, conch shells and beads. Okay, they were fond of perfumes also. They like perfumes. Next, arts. Okay, there were many references to variety of musical instruments also they use such as drums, flute, yawl. Then Karigalan was master of 7 notes of music. Okay, singing bards were called Kanar and Urayer. Dance also that is Kanigayur, then Kuttu that is folk dance. Folk dance was the most important culture practice, okay, of the Sangam age. Then they developed that is Madhumili, Iyer, Isai and Nadagam. Iyal, Isai and Nadagam. They like very much. Okay, occupation. The major occupation of the people were agriculture. That is Vivasayam, then Velan. See, cattle rearing, fishing and hunting. Okay, other craftsmen like carpenters, then blacksmith, goldsmith and potters were also part of the population. Okay, some people were doing this work. Then weaving also was the most common part in. After doing all this work, they will do. See some farmers, farming, agriculture, vivasayam. They after the work is completed, they will do the weaving as the part time. Farmers will work if they know weaving also. So if the work is completed, they will do the weaving work also as a part time. Then others will do full time job for many others. So weaving is the full time job for many others. Mostly agriculture, cattle rearing, fishing and hunting. Okay, the major occupation work. Next, festivals and entertainments. People celebrate several festivals. That is, harvest festival means all of you know that Pongal. Then spring. Then Kartigai. Also some of the festival. Then Indravila. Also they celebrated in the capital. Some games also they used to practice and play some amusement games. That is dances, festivals, bullfights, cockfights, dice, hunting, wrestling, and playing in swings. Okay. Then some children played toy car and sand houses made by them. All these games were played by the children. Okay. There were two kinds of markets or bazaars. Okay. Like city in cities like Buhar and Madurai. Two markets. Okay. that is called Nalangadi and Alangadi. Nalangadi means morning bazaar. Alangadi means evening bazaar. Here so many varieties of goods will be sold and purchased. Major ports, that is three, that is Mussoorie, Bondi and Korkai. Exports and imports. Main exports are salt, pepper, pears, ivory, silk, spices, diamonds, saffron and precious stones, muslin, sandal, wood. Okay. Main imports, that is topaz, tin, wine, glass and horses. Okay, trade contact with overseas countries, that is archaeological excavations have confirmed the trading relation between the Tamilagam and the countries such as Greece, Rome, Egypt, China, Southeast Asia and Sri Lanka. Okay, towards the end of the 3rd century AD, that is the Sangam period slowly went into a decline. Okay, then following the Sangam period, the Kalabras had occupied. After the Sangam period, Kalabras had occupied the Tamil Nadu, Tamil country for about 2.5 centuries. Okay.